In this video, you will learn how to use SUMIF formula with two examples. This table contains total sale by order status. And in another table, we will calculate total sale by order status. Example number 2. Again, the same sales report table. We will sum if total sale is greater than the specified amount. Let's start the tutorial. SUMIF calculates the sum of values in a range based on true or false condition. There is a multiple choice question at the end of this video. Let's start our formula. SUMIF. First, selecting the full column that we want to look at as order status. Now, selecting criteria if matched in order status column. Then, if our specified criteria found in the column with order status, then sum its total sale values. It's simple. So done. We have the sum of all order status which are completed. Again, SUMIF for the next one, which is pending. Selecting range, if match with our criteria. Then, if match with our criteria, then sum total sales. Yeah. We have 4 pending total sales. Now for cancelled. Selecting range, selecting criteria, if matched, then sum the total sales. Yeah, we have 3 total sales which are cancelled. So let's move to example 2. We want to sum total sale values which is greater than the value specified in cell H6. Watch. SUMIF. Range. We want total sales. So selecting total sales column. And we are using a comparison operator as greater than the cell H6. If total sales is greater than cell H6, then sum total values. So now we have the sum of total sales which are greater than 600. Checking. Yes, it's fine. 3 sales values are greater than 600, which is equal to 2300. Now checking for greater than 800. We have 1, which is 900. Question: which of the following formula is used in one of the examples to sum greater than value in a range? Write your response as A, B, or C in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please show your support by subscribing this channel.